You can make your sound better with just a click in Audacity. I will show a demo and you can get a demo completely free on your voice recording. You just have to send me your audio sample. Here is how it works. The top track is the original, and I will improve the bottom track. To improve the track, I will select it and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, I can select a macro. I have many types of improvement options, and I will select Clear Vocal Improve. You can get a free demo on your voice with these macros. The audio is improved instantly without me doing any configuration hassle. Let's listen to it and compare.
In the realm of AI, the possibilities for generating passive income have expanded exponentially as AI technology. In the realm of AI, the possibilities for generating passive income have expanded exponentially. As AI technologies continue to evolve, savvy individuals are harnessing the power of various tools to create income streams that require minimal ongoing effort. This chapter provides an overview of specific trending AI tools that can be instrumental in building a passive income portfolio. In the fast-paced world of financial markets, traditional trading approaches are increasingly making way for innovative technologies, with AI trading algorithms emerging as a transformative force.
So you see what an improvement I got almost without any work. A huge time-saver tool. If you want to know how this tool will work with your voice, please send me your sample. You can go to this Buy Me Coffee page and claim a free sample demo. No credit card is required. I will send you a demo. You will also get access to this free Sound Better PDF guide. If you are watching this video as an ad, you will get a link to claim the demo for free. The link is also in the description and pinned comment. Claim your free demo now.